thank Michael for this challenge that he's given me. Mike, I look forward to giving you a hug and a kiss, as always. I want to challenge some girls and guys that played for me in the past. First of all, look there. Katie Canals, who is in New Zealand, the land of castles. Number two, I want to challenge Matt Yonley, who's in California. Matt, I don't have any $100 buyouts, and if you do, you owe me an 88. Three, a guy that I played for years ago, and his name is Cliff McGrath. And Cliff, I look forward to having your little whatever. You're gonna really enjoy that. And number four is I want to challenge our team, the women's Gordon soccer team, and that'll be fun to watch them put it all together. So now, I've asked my seniors to help out. My seniors, put your ice in. Oh my goodness. Okay. This is going to be really cold. Okay, are you ready?
Let's do it.
1, 2, 3. Oh my goodness. It was so cold. I want to remember, you guys all join us at homecoming this year, and wow, this is cold. Thank you.